Hello student, this is Rohit Upadhyay, computer teacher at MLZS School Jhansi. Students, in last class we have learned about device drivers and translators. In this video, we will learn about utility programs. Utility programs or utility software are types of system software that assist operating systems in carrying out certain specialized tasks are called utility software. Basically, utility means useful. These are the collection of all useful software for our computer. So we will discuss some utility softwares one by one. First is antivirus. All you know what is antivirus? Antivirus is a software by which we can protect or secure the data present in computer system as well as the hardware components of our computer system. First, what is virus? A virus be defined as a malicious program that attaches itself to a host programs and makes multiple copies of itself. वायरस एक ऐसे डेंजरस और मैलिशियस प्रोग्राम्स होते हैं जो कुछ अनऑथराइज्ड कुछ हैकर्स बनाते हैं दूसरे कंप्यूटर्स को नेटवर्क्स को ख़राब करने के लिए, स्लो डाउन करने के लिए, उनकी इंफॉर्मेशन को स्टील करने के लिए। और ये वायरस हमारे कंप्यूटर सिस्टम को स्लो कर सकते हैं, हमारे कंप्यूटर को ख़राब कर सकते हैं, डेटा को करप्ट कर सकते हैं और हमारे लिए काफ़ी हार्मफुल हो सकते हैं। प्रोटेक्ट आवर कंप्यूटर सिस्टम, the external devices, the data present in computer system are confidential information. We must use the antivirus software. An antivirus scans the system for any virus and if detected gets rid of it by deleting or isolating it. It can detect many types of virus like boot virus, trojan, worm, spyware. The categories of virus are different, so it can detect any type of virus. If virus present in our computer system, so it can delete that virus from our computer system. When any external storage device like USB drive is attached to the system, antivirus software scans it and gives an alert if a virus is detected. You can set up your system for periodic scans or scan whenever you feel the need. A combination of both the techniques is advisable to keep your system virus free. This is the technique. By using the antivirus software, we can protect our computer system, protect our confidential information. Next utility software, that is compression tools. Compression tools, why we use? Storage space is always at a premium in a computer system. So operating systems are always looking at ways minimize amount of storage space are taken by files. Compression tools are utility that assist operating systems in shortening files so that they take less space. By using the compression tools, we can compress our data so that data can fit in less amount of space. When we compress, after compression files are stored in a different format called ciphertext and cannot be read or edited directly. When we compress the files, it convert in a different format, it convert in an encrypted format. That format is called ciphertext and that cannot be read or edited directly. To read that file, to edit that file, we must uncompress before to read, and to uncompress it we must use some software. WinRAR, WinZip, pzip, Archiver, these are the types of compression tools which we can use to compress or decompress our data. Next type of utility, that is disk cleanup. Disk cleanup tools assist user in freezing up disk space. The software scans hard disk to find files that are no longer used and frees up space by deleting them. Sometimes we feel our computer systems are hang continuously because of some unwanted types of file, unnecessary of files. It is filled up our disk space. So we need to clean all these unnecessary files. So for doing this task, we use a disk cleaner. This is a very useful software by which time to time we can detect and we can delete the unnecessary files and free our computer space. Next utility software, that is file management tools. This utility software is a program to organize and keep track of files and is better known as file management software or simply file manager. Traditional file management softwares we can use to create a new file, edit or existing file or save a file. But now we can use. Next is file management tools. This utility software is a program to organize and keep track of files that is better known as file management softwares or file manager. This utility software providing regular file management tasks like browse any file, search any file, update, edit, preview, save. These are called file management tools. Windows Explorer in Windows operating systems, Google Desktops, Directory Opus, Double Commander, Pathfinder. These are the examples of such file manager tools. Next is backup. Backup utility enables backing up of your files, folders, database or complete disk. Backups are taken so that the data may be restored in case of data loss. If any virus attack our computer systems or we can lose our important files, that time backup helps us to give all the files again. In standalone systems, backups may be taken in the same or different drive. In case of network systems, backup may be done on backup servers. Or you can also use external storage device like memory card, pen drive or hard disk for backup. Next and last utility software, that is disk defragmenter. Disk defragmenter is a disk management utility that increases file access speeds by rearranging fragmented files on continuous locations. Large files are broken down into fragments and may be stored in non-continuous locations. Suppose जब हम काफ़ी सारी अलग अलग एप्लीकेशंस को एग्जीक्यूट करते हैं, बड़े बड़े साइज़ की फाइल्स को जब हम लोग रन कर रहे होते हैं, तो हमारे रैम के अंदर जो फाइल्स होती हैं वो एक कंटिन्यूस लोकेशन पर सेव नहीं होती हैं, ये डिसकंटिन्यूस लोकेशन पर सेव हो जाती हैं. और यही डिसकंटिन्यूस लोकेशन जो है जिसके कारण हमें किसी भी फाइल को एग्जीक्यूट करने में काफ़ी टाइम लगता है. सो डिस्क डिफ्रेगमेंटर सॉफ्टवेयर इन सारी डिसकंटिन्यूस लोकेशन पर जो एक ही फाइल अलग अलग लोकेशन पर सेव है उसको एक सिंगल लोकेशन पर सेव कर देता है. जब हम डिस्क डिफ्रेगमेंटर सॉफ्टवेयर को रन करते हैं तो फर्स्ट इट चेक्स व्हाट आर द फाइल्स, व्हाट आर द नंबर ऑफ फाइल्स आर रनिंग इन रैम एंड it checks for individual each file where the file is located in different locations. It tracks a single file in different locations. It combines all the locations and give a continuous location. So a task or that file is easily processed. When such files are accessed by the user, access speed is slow. जब हम लोग डिसकंटिन्यूस फाइल को एक्सेस करते हैं हमारी एक्सेस स्पीड बहुत ही स्लो हो जाती है ड्यू टू फ्रेगमेंटेशन. एंड डिस्क डिफ्रेगमेंटर यूटिलिटी स्कैन द हार्ड डिस्क एंड ट्राई टू असेंबल फाइल फ्रेगमेंट्स सो दैट दे मे बी स्टोर्ड इन द कंटिन्यूस लोकेशन एंड द फाइल स्पीड बिकम्स हाई. So these all are the utility software which are very useful or helpful our computer system of our operating system.